This can be understood better with an example with the first problem. The problem here given is, from the following particulars, prepare cost sheet of ABC Company Limited as on 31st March 2014 showing. So we need to calculate and find out what is prime cost, works cost, cost of production, total cost and profit. And the given problem is, so this is the given problem. So this information is given with regard to the direct expenses and the indirect overheads. With this we need to prepare cost sheet. The amount is also given here in the column, one particulars column. It is given the items for this one, preparation of cost sheet, and the value for this what is the expenses given in the second column. So here the preparation of cost sheet. So it is this the heading is statement of cost and profit of ABC Company Limited as on 31st March 2014. So the cost sheet is prepared in this format, 3 columns. First is particulars column, 2 amount columns. So all the expenses are shown in inner column and the total will be shown in the outer column. So here first step is preparation of prime cost. This can be ascertained by considering, first is cost of material consumed, the amount shown in inner column 10,000, productive wages 8,000, chargeable expenses 2,000. So as per the requirement in the problem, whatever is given we need to consider and referring to the format. So here all the direct expenses are here. Total of this will be shown in the outer column, 20,000, adding 10,000 of cost of material consumed, 8,000 of productive wages, chargeable expenses 2,000. So total of this is shown 20,000 in outer column. Since in this problem directly cost of material consumed amount is given 10,000, we are directly taking 10,000. So in case if cost of material consumed is not given in the problem, we need to take what is the opening stock of raw material, add purchase of raw material minus closing stock of raw material, then we can ascertain cost of material consumed. But in this problem directly it is given cost of material consumed 10,000, we are taking directly. So adding to all these direct expenses we get the prime cost amount 20,000. Now the next step is calculation of what is works cost or factory cost. This can be ascertained by considering indirect factory overheads or indirect factory expenses. That is, add factory or works overhead. Cotton waste 1,000 inner column, power and fuel 1,200, depreciation on plant and machinery 1,100, works manager's salary 4,500, lubricating oil 3,350 lubricating oil, and the transport charges 900. Total of all this will be shown in the outer column 9,050, and this total of works and factory overhead should be added to prime cost 20,000 and total 29,050. This is factory cost or works cost. Since here in this problem scrap value is not given, no need to minus, and also it is not given what is the opening stock of work in progress and what is the closing stock of work in progress is also not given in the problem. Directly we have taken 29,050 as works cost or factory cost. And next is add for finding out what is the cost of production, we need to consider of office and administrative overheads. That is, depreciation on office furniture is 800. Next we have staff salaries 16,000, printing and stationery 1,400, general expenses 900. So add all these expenses shown in inner column, that comes to 23,100. So add this total to works cost or factory cost 29,050 plus 23,100. The total comes to 52,150. This is the total cost of production or cost of goods sold. And the next step is calculation of the total cost of sales by adding selling and distribution overheads. Here given in this problem, depreciation on delivery van, advertisement expenses, commission is given here, upkeep charges of delivery van. So here depreciation 650, advertisement 1600, commission 450, upkeep charges 300. Total of all these expenses comes to 3000. So add 3000 to 52,150. The total comes to 55,150. So here 55,150 is the total cost of production, and the sales value is already given in the problem as 60,000. So we can find out what is profit by deducting total cost 55,150 from the sales value given in the problem 60,000. 60,000 minus 55,150, the difference amount is 4,850. That can be considered as profit. So add profit to total cost, we get the total sales price. Sometimes as per the requirement, in this problem sales value is given as 60,000. We need to find out what is profit by considering what is the total cost. So total cost minus sales value, we get the profit. For this project, here it is, for this one order, the profit is 4,850. Since the sales value is given as 60,000, we need to find out what is the total cost incurred by preparing this cost sheet. So I hope you understand this, how to prepare the cost sheet with this first example. Thank you so much.